What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend. And welcome to this new video on render, which we actually have a lot to talk about regarding the technicals. I'll give you a full overview of everything to expect, right? I mean, I was actually pretty bearish on render the last time I covered it. I was wrong about that. We got back up, or at least I wasn't necessarily wrong, because I just said that we had to wait for some confirmation. And we still, by the way, have not gotten confirmation, but there is some bullish momentum getting in, right? Like for example, we had this kind of downtrend going on that has been invalidated. So right now the situation is as following: we're just consolidating. If you zoom out enough, you could argue that we're trending up and we're still bullish. That's 100% correct. But I would, I always take a look at the short term. In the short term, the ADX is below 20. On the short term, we are not really respecting those EMAs. So that usually means that we're consolidating. We have a chance though to actually confirm our bullish momentum though. And we're pretty close. It's just breaking above this level right here at the bottom between 2.7 and 2.75. So that is where we are right now, and that's also the main reason why I wanted to make a video. I actually do expect some sort of a bullish opening for Bitcoin. I could be wrong about that, but that's what I expect. And apart from that, render showing something like this leads me to believe that those levels around $3 are possible again. 2.9 comes first, obviously. It's been respected quite a bit for the last couple of weeks. But right now, the big question is in the next 24 hours, because the next 24 hours are going to be crucial, can we get a bullish breakout or not? And I'll explain that and the consequences of that a little bit later as well. But for now, if you want to receive daily trading signals and become a better trader and investor, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll actually find instructions on how to join. But now on to render. So the biggest question is in the next 24 hours, because that is really when we will get that confirmation. Right now we already broke above, we already got some sort of a bullish breakout by breaking above this 236 fib. It's not major, but it means something. So the big question is can we break above 2.75? If we break above 2.75, first of all, we're confirmed bullish again. Second of all, we get up to 2.9, and there's a big chance of going all the way up to that $3 level, which is probably going to be 3.05. All right, so that's the most bullish scenario. Is that likely? Yes. I'm not sure if it is the most likely scenario. I'm very 50-50 on the two things that I think are possible. If Bitcoin opens bullish, if Bitcoin goes up to like 27,400, then yes, this is probably going to happen, all right? And given the track record of render, this might be the most likely scenario. But we do have to get that confirmation. We do need to break above 2.75, otherwise it's not confirmed. And we have to do it now, because right now we actually have quite a lot of momentum. Volume is going up. Like I said, it's the opening of the markets in the week. So right now is the best chance. And if we cannot do that, what happens? So if we find resistance there and we start dropping down towards levels around 2.6 and then afterwards probably down to 2.5, what happens then is that, well, first of all, render is untradeable, because then we are really, we have confirmed that we have consolidated right here. And then it's really just waiting for a breakout. Because if we find resistance now, like I said, we're just going up and down in this range. And before we can make any sort of trades, we have to wait for either some sort of indication from outside of the price, like fundamental news, like the Apple VR headset doing something, or a breakout above 2.75 still, or a bearish breakout down below 2.42. Followed by a move down to 2.2. So to be honest, I hope we're going to get that bullish breakout also for all of you, because if not, then it's just going to be sideways movement again, and probably also volume dropping down, which is not great for both the short term and long term. So yeah, that's my full analysis on render for now. I would say this scenario is a little bit more likely if I would have to make a prediction. But like I said, it's so close together that it's better to wait for confirmation. But that's my take on render for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.